Nestled amongst the gum trees of the Macquarie Pass in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales sits the abandoned station of Mount Murray, a forgotten gem of the 1930s. What does its future hold? As we approach the Southern Highlands, a sense of tranquility fills the air. The rolling hills and lush greenery paint a picturesque landscape, concealing the hidden stories that whisper through the trees. Mount Murray is situated on the rail link between Unanderra and Mossvale in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales. This rail line winds its way up the Illawarra escarpment and was once a crucial rail link between the bustling city and the charming countryside. But today, Mount Murray Station stands eerily abandoned, like a ghostly reminder of a forgotten era. Mount Murray is one of 10 stations along the Unanderra-Mossvale link. The line itself was opened in 1932 to facilitate the movement of slate from Marulan in the southern tablelands to the ports on the coast. It also became an important link for the locals of the area, as this made travel to the city much easier. Mount Murray Station, like many others in this region, played a pivotal role in connecting communities and facilitating trade during the golden age of rail travel, but has now witnessed the passage of time and progress. During its heyday, the station buzzed with activity. The steam engines arrived and departed, carrying passengers from far and wide. But as the years passed, changes in transportation and the decline of rail travel led to the station's eventual abandonment. Now the only movement that the platform sees is the movement of wildlife that use the station building for shelter, and the shadows that dance across the peeling paint of the building. The station consists of a 27-metre long platform made from precast concrete, with a small Type 13 timber station building, water tank, and what's left of the war-era signal box at the eastern end of the platform. Mount Murray Station was granted heritage status in 1999 as it is described as a rare example of the rail system's small structures that have all but disappeared. The station itself may be abandoned, but the loop siding that it sits on and the rail link are still very much in use and form part of the freight link between the Southern Line and the Illawarra Line. Although all passenger services are now operated by coach, East Coast Heritage Rail still operates an occasional Heritage passenger service to Robertson and Mossvale. The Mount Murray Loop is currently seeing some improvements by ARTC, with the nearby level crossing being closed. Being such an important freight link, the area has seen a series of unfortunate rail accidents throughout the years that shook the Southern Highlands, leaving a trail of loss and sorrow that you can't help feeling amongst the tranquility of the bush in the area. As night draws near and our time at the abandoned Mount Murray Station comes to an end, we can't help but reflect on the whispers of history that have enveloped us. The mystery and allure of this forgotten place will continue to captivate the imagination of those who visit. If you should ever find yourself wandering the Southern Highlands, venture to Mount Murray Station. Listen carefully to the echoes of the past. What lurks in your abandoned spaces?